What's going on, my friends? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how my Motobilt tire carrier installation went. But before we start the video, I'm going to be answering some of the questions that you guys already have and you guys have been asking me on Instagram. So don't go anywhere. So the first question that I get a lot is about the alignment. How good is the alignment on the door? And let me just show you guys. Just look at this. One finger. Just like that, super easy. And the second question that I get is that what happens when you open all the way this bracket? Does it hit the light? And let me show you. You still got a lot of space there, so it's not going to touch your light or break it. Just look at this. Not going to go anywhere or do any damage to your lights. And looking at it from this side, so you can check that it is already at the end, so it's not going to go basically anywhere. So it is super safe. And I also removed this so you guys can check the breaking point. Basically you have no breaking point there. And the last question that I get a lot is what's the biggest tire size that it can hold? Basically, Motobilt have two different tire carriers, so this one can hold up to a 40-inch tire, and they also have it for the JK, so JK and JL. So I went ahead and removed the original tire, but you can do so by removing these 3 screws. After that, we're going to be removing the inner tailgate panel, and you can do so by just pulling it like I did. After that, you're going to have 2 plugs that you're going to need to unplug. And then go ahead on the other side and carefully pull the plugs. After that, just remove these 8 bolts and the original tire carrier will be free. After you have the original tire carrier on the floor, you can remove these 2 screws and then hit the 3 screws with a hammer so you can remove the camera. These 7 screws that I'm removing is so I can unplug the third brake cable. To remove the camera bolts, you're going to be using a T8 Torx bit, and thank God I have one because those are super tiny. Before you continue, please don't do what I'm doing. Behind the camera there is a plug, which I didn't knew it was there, so you can easily unplug the cable from the camera and just remove it this way. To install the camera on the Motobilt camera bracket, you're going to have to drill those little holes a little bit bigger with a 1/8 drill bit. So now after you're done installing the camera on the bracket, you can go ahead and start removing the tailgate so you can start installing the tire carrier itself. Using a T55 torque bit and a hammer, you're going to remove the bolts on the tailgate. And now the fun part begins. Place the spacers on the tailgate and after that the tire carrier. Now you can use the provided bolts to install the tire carrier on the tailgate. Now to remove the original hinges, you're going to have to remove this plastic cover, or you can just open a hole on it. But don't worry guys, because after you place all the covers back, you're not going to be able to see those holes again. You're going to go ahead and put these three spaces together and install them on the bottom side of the hinge. And I'm using tape so I can hold them in place and install the Motobilt hinges. So after you place the tire on the tire carrier, it is time to add this piece, and this is the final piece. So let's do it. We're going to get the camera cable and just plug it here. Super easy. Well, my friends, now the installation is complete. Please let me know in the comments below if you have any other question about this Motobilt tire carrier. As you can see, the installation was pretty straightforward, super easy. This is everything we have for today, guys. I hope you can subscribe to our channel because we have many more videos like this coming. And as always, see you in the next one.